Thanks for clicking this video. I am a student of HGET, Sunil Gupta, English trainer. Let's have a start.
Actually, I want to ask a question that before some time when you were just coming here, you were joining this institute, that time you were not being able to just speak a single line and you are being very hesitated. But now you are becoming so fluent or you are start speaking a very fluent way. So what's the reason behind that?
Actually, behind of each reason is a Sunil sir, because when you can see that Sunil sir is here, now that I'm all the person saying that we don't know speaking the English and we never want to learn the English because we are Indian. Actually, I am saying I am giving all the answer of all them guys, because when you want to living in India, then you have to need of English, because you are going to outside area. Then you can see there is lots of person who can speak English very fluently. Now that time you feel so guilty, and then how we don't learn the English, because when I was coming here that time I saw the student, then there is lots of student who is speaking very well skill of me. That time I don't know how can how I can remove my English. That time I improve my English day by day after coming into class, and it is a depending when you are coming regularly, then you can also improve your English, because it is a bigger reason behind of my English.
I have one question for you, as everyone says that hard work never goes waste. So I just want to ask regarding that question, that are you agree with this statement? According to me, that in this era you have to be smart.
Yeah, actually your question is so good, and when I see lots of person who do the lots of hard working, after that he not getting the success, and when you are doing the smart working, then you can getting successful very easily. Because I gave the example of Mukesh Ambani and Eric Sapler. Mukesh Ambani is not doing the hard working, he is only doing the smart working, and after that he earned the lots of money. But in the example of Eric Sapler, he is doing the hard working and he done the work after he done the work to 12 o'clock. Then after that he earned the only few rupees, and you can take the example of 120, but he had done with only some money.
So can you tell me how you are feeling on this on standing on the podium?
Actually, my feeling is so good because it's my opportunity, and I would like to thank you, sir, because he is giving me opportunity to say to me, then you are studying and now time you are good speaker day by day, and after that you are trying to speak English, and maybe possible you can speak also accent, because it is a very good for me. When I use to accent, then I feel so good.
Actually, I just want to ask you one question. As the Himesh was asking to you, bro has read the hurdle. So, as what do you think about the Himesh? Himesh is already coming up for noticing that type of things.
Actually, Himesh is coming here. Firstly, he want to learn the English. After that, he is notice all the person, because when someone is saying to me, then you are noted to all the person. You have lots of thought to speak in front of someone, because that's why maybe possible that Himesh noted to all the person when he can take the example of, and after that he can ask the lots of questions.
So please tell me how English is important for us.
Yeah, actually, firstly, I would like to tell you there is no need of English when you are living in your area. When you go to outside, then you can see that there is lots of type of knowledge of English. When I was going to college, that time I don't know how to speak English, and then I realized then I am so left to my student, because that time the teacher degrade myself, and that time I decided I learned the English, and it is a very compulsory for me. Then you can go to outside area, and then you never see those people, then how he can speak English. That time you feel then I have also speak English.
Hello, bro. I have one question, because you know that what is Actually, I want to ask a question, that as you were just speaking in a good way, and everybody just asking the question, what do you feeling, because you were just making a target round.
Yes, actually this is a target round, and it's very good for us. When someone is making the target, that time I have lots of opportunity to speak in front of you. When I don't have thought, then you can ask to me question, then I can improve my thought, because it's very compulsory for me, because English is depend on the thought. When you don't have any thought, then you cannot speaking as a single word, because it's very compulsory for you, because it's a targeting session. You have lots of opportunity to speak.
Bro, I have also a question for you. I know that one is known by the company one keeps. It's also just one of the proverb, which also just say by me all day, whole day, as not in our life. It's also just repeated by the persons always. As you also just coming with the here, and you also just committed with the bro for the learning purpose, and you also just get a lot of the experience for the learning purpose, and you also just have you also just have a lot of the knowledge within you. So could you explain about this proverb?
Yeah, actually I don't have lots of knowledge, but you can see, because I have used lots of book. After that I getting the knowledge, because when I was in class, that time I don't have any type of knowledge. Then I see my student, and as a friend, then there has lots of video, he has participated in the debate, but I never can do this type of work. When I decided I have read the book, and after that getting the knowledge, then I can explain my view, what is my view on the topic. Then you can ask to me any question, then I can give you example of and example with your answer, then you are satisfied, you can be satisfied.
Okay, I want to ask one question. There are so many persons who want to say that we cannot change the mentality to the other. So can you please tell me why do they say like this?
No, actually, firstly, I would like to tell you we can change the mentality of other person, because when you see that, if I will give you an example, then when I was in my 6th standard, then someone saying to me, then you are not good student, and that time my mentality has been down, and that time I decided that, and when my best friend was suggest to me, then you are also doing the bad, and as like all the student, that time I changed my mentality, because it is depending on yourself, and firstly it is depending on those people which can you take the suggestion, because when the person is right, then you can also get the knowledge of them and you can change. So friend, goodbye, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.